Arsi hadirin ke Jingmi ke Awaken India Movement Meghalaya Committee Shesurok banyak ki Pyrshah ya ke Jingkeno penbor da ke Sorkar ya ki nong snong ke jela ban pendan kam Aadhaar usembut menteri rangba ke jela badai pet ya ke tanat kampo yeng ubak Prestone tensong ula penpau bo dan ye ban ong ya ki bam Kwah Jingmyntoi laki long na ke Sorkar jela ni Sorkar India ru komjo. Habakran sikilat patai kubor haka khatwai terik uria yong arja arpusan uba Prestone ula ong bommenshwa kipat ba kilong Pyrshah ba ya ke jing penlong Aadhaar nrei suki pasuki kinong snong kilas ngothu bat register ya dia namar ki jing dan kam haki school ki ration card bat kiwei pat halor ke jing dan ke jing penthut ya ke sok ngan hanong ba Shillong uba Prestone ula kentu la kalong ya ki kenhun seng ne kino bagi dei ban kiar na ka bashem ya ka an haki kti jongki.
Well, I think this is a very old subject altogether. Let me tell you one thing. Initially, people, they were deadly against Aadhaar card. But I'm telling you, lately, people willingly goes themselves to register in the centers for the Aadhaar card. Why? Number one, even for admission in different institutions, schools or whatever, you need Aadhaar card. And then number two, now even you talking about the free ration card, you need to have this Aadhaar card. Even if you want yourself to again avail the benefits of reimbursement, medical reimbursement in the form of that insurance, then again you need the Aadhaar card. And everywhere we need the Aadhaar card. Okay, I've seen recently some section of people, they are against it. I can't say anything on that. If they are not, if they don't want to avail the facilities provided by the government, be it central or state, so it is up to them. We cannot force them for registration of Aadhaar card in case if they feel that it is totally unnecessary for them. Be it a pressure group or be it anybody. I would appeal, I would request to everyone that we should, whatever we do, it should be guided, prescribed norms of the law. We can't, take the law on our own hand. So whatever it should be as per the law, prescribed. So I would request, yes, there may be some kind of discussion or meeting with different agencies. I mean, we welcome that, but at the same time, you cannot just take the law in your hand.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoi bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.